Welcome again to Cooking in Finland. In this episode, Malai Kofta. This is a classic vegetarian Indian dish of fried potato and paneer balls in a curry sauce with tomatoes, cashews, and cream. The recipe is divided into two parts. First, the making of the kofta, which is the sort of vegetarian meatballs, and then making the curry sauce or Malai curry. If you're not familiar with paneer, it's the solids of curdled milk, which is what cheese is made from, but paneer is not fermented. You can purchase it in Indian stores and sometimes in larger supermarkets. The first step is peeling, cubing, and cooking the potatoes, then cooling them. The exact cooking time will depend on the type of potato. You want them to be fork tender but not mushy. This is very important. Next, fry the cashews and raisins gently in a little butter. When the cashews turn golden, they are ready. Pour out into a bowl and reserve. Assemble the ingredients for the kofta and put everything except the nuts and raisins into a food processor. Grind to pulverize together. Then add the nuts and raisins along with the residual melted butter. Pulse and scrape down the sides until there are no full-size cashews remaining. Now turn the mixture out into a bowl. Knead it by hand to make it into a dough. Refrigerate while making the Malai curry sauce. Gather the ingredients for the first part of the curry, including the spices marked in green on the ingredients list. Slice the onion into rings and begin frying in the ghee on a medium-low heat. After 2 or 3 minutes, you can add the spices. Slow cooking is critical. If the heat is too high because you're trying to rush this, the spices will burn and not have time to flavor the onions. After 5 minutes, add the passata, then the coarsely chopped garlic and ginger. Stir and continue cooking slowly. The most common mistake that Westerners make with curries is trying to go fast. After about 10 minutes, the mixture should have thickened some. Now you can add the Kashmiri chili powder. Stir it in, and after about a minute, add 150 milliliters of hot tap water. Continue cooking slowly and patiently with frequent but not constant stirring. After about 15 minutes, add the dried methi and coriander leaf, along with the cinnamon and about a tablespoon of uncooked cashews. After another 5 to 10 minutes, remove the bay leaf and discard. Then you can add the cream. Then add the ground cardamom. Stir and continue cooking gently. After another few minutes, turn off the heat and allow it to cool a little before pureeing. Rub it through a sieve and then discard the solids. Return the sieved mixture to the pot after you've washed it out, then keep it ready while you prepare the kofta, which will roll into 6 to 8 balls. Deep fry the kofta at about 175 degrees Celsius, that's 350 Fahrenheit, until they are golden brown. Reheat the sauce, then transfer it to a serving dish and place the kofta into the sauce. Garnish this with sprigs of cilantro if desired. Serve with wedges of lemon on the side and rice. The plating of this is simple and home style. If you want to step up your plating, check out the video on my latest book. There's a link in the description below. And if you have this book, I implore you to please leave feedback on Amazon. There was a glitch in Amazon's system for several weeks where no ratings or feedback would show up. If you left feedback during that time, please leave it again now so that it will be visible. It's critical for the book showing up in their search engine, and the sales of these books helps make this channel possible. Thank you.